Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? I'm back here with an exciting video. It's gonna be a really quick makeup tutorial. So this is how I'm gonna look after I'm done with the makeup. So if you wanna see how I did this look, make sure you stay on the video and watch it till the end. And yeah, let's get into the video really quick. So let's begin. I'm gonna take my moisturizer, the same regular. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on my really dry face. My skin is like really dry, like so dry. Okay, I'm gonna quickly. So my face is moisturized. I'm gonna quickly take my lip balm, which I got from random website. I'm gonna go with my primer potion. So this is the primer I'm using. It's by Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. So I'm gonna put the primer over my eyelids. So if you put eyeshadow primer on your eyelids, your eyeshadow is gonna last for long without creasing. So that's I'm putting it on. Now it's time for concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and use this elf concealer. Okay. And I'm gonna quickly blend the concealer. So now I'm gonna go with my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use this palette, this eyeshadow palette which I got from Delhi. These are the eyeshadow brushes I'm gonna be using in this video. So yeah, so I'm gonna pick up this lavender color. If you can see, pat the eyeshadow on the outer corner like so. I'm gonna go with the green eyeshadow really quick over here. So I'm gonna pat the color in the middle. Now I'm just going to close this eyeshadow palette, and then I'm gonna go with another one. So I'm gonna use this eyeshadow now. So this has got some brownish colors, if you can see, and I really like this eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna pick up my fluffy brush, or maybe not this one. I'm gonna take with this brush. I'm gonna take the brown, light brown shade. No. I'm gonna go with this one. This it's kind of like a purplish brownish shade. I'm gonna take that. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna simply take that and I'm gonna just put it over the green eyeshadow. I don't want this green to be visible actively. I just want it to peek through the violet eyeshadow, if you can understand. Okay. So this is how my eyeshadow looks like. So now I'm gonna go with eyeliner, green eyeliner. So yeah. Do the same exact thing on the other eye. So this is how my eyes looks like so far. Now I'm gonna take mascara, Sky High mascara from Maybelline, and I'm gonna just mascara my eyelashes. So I've got this kajal here, and this is by the brand NYX Professionals Makeup, and in the shade green. So it's kind of like a turquoise. So I'm gonna just simply. So this is definitely not green. This is like turquoise color, but I really like this color. I mean, it's pretty. This is how my eyes look like. Now to make your eyes look really nice, more better than this, what you can do is like you can go with like eyelashes. So I'm gonna put eyelashes on really quick. So you guys, I'm gonna be using these two eyelashes. They are like already used ones. They're like really lightweight eyelashes. The reason why I'm using this super lightweight is because I don't want to hide my eyeliner and the color on my eyes. So I want it to be seen. But if you put a thicker eyelash, then all of this hard work you just did will be just hidden. So that's why I'm going to go with the natural looking eyelash. And I'm going to use this glue. This is by the brand Mida. I don't know. So this is by the brand Vida. I don't know what this is, but I always buy this same lash glue. This is the best eyelash glue. I got it off of Amazon, and this is in the white color. You can go with the black color as well. So I used black, I used white. This is my third bottle. So yeah, I like it so much. I'm gonna put the glue on this. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my eyelash. Drag my eyelash to, you know, to stick it well. Okay. So obviously this eye looks far better than the other one. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side and I'm gonna come back. So you guys, this is how my eyes looks like. I love it. I am done with my eye makeup. So let's move on to the face. For color correction, I'm gonna use a NYX Pro Fix Stick. So this is like a color corrector, like for dark skinned people. So yeah, I'm gonna go like so. And I've got a lot of pigmented skin around my mouth, which is pretty common in black girls. So yeah. And oh, I like my hair to be like out of the way when I'm doing my foundation. So I'm done with color correction. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead with my foundation and my beauty blender. So today I'm gonna use beauty blender to blend my foundation. So this is the foundation I'm going to be using in two different shades because I could not find my own shade. So I went with two foundations. This is like 2 shades darker. This is 1 shade lighter. 2 shades lighter. I don't know. So I'm going to mix both of these and I'm going to put it like that. So this foundation gets oxidized and it turns like a shade darker. So yeah, I hope you understand. So this is cool. Can you see it looks pretty much yellowish, but it oxidizes and it goes a shade darker, which doesn't look that nice, but since it's just a video, I'm doing it. But then the quality of the foundation is really nice. Like it says like skin like finish, and it is true. It is like skin like. So yeah, let's blend this all out. So this is how the foundation looks like, and I'm gonna blend it in. As you can see, my skin looks darker now, but it's alright to go 1 or 2 shades darker than going lighter. If you go like lighter, you will end up looking gray and it looks really, really bad. But if you go dark, you can easily lighten up your makeup with like concealer and all. So yeah, I would prefer going dark. I'm gonna blend everything in. So this is how my black face looks like. I mean, it does not match in real life at all. I look like I have fake tan on my face, like in real. I don't know how it looks on the camera, but oh my god. Anyways, let's just lighten the makeup. So obviously this product was new. This was new, and I've got a couple more products, and yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna use this concealer. It's to brighten up my under eyes. It's in the shade C11.2 by the brand Revolution. Yeah. Oh, this is like perfect concealer I ordered for the first time. Like really light. Can you see? It is really light. I'm gonna take my concealer brush and I'm gonna simply blend everything in. Yeah, I like to, experiment with new products. This is like way too light. Okay, so yeah, I don't know. I feel like I messed up. Loose powder. So you take any loose powder you have. powder this. So powder over, just put powder over here because you don't want your foundation to be creased. Just tiny bit. Now I'm gonna go with my face powder. This is the one which I use. It's Bonjour Paris. My face powder brush. Swirl the brush in it and put it everywhere. Oh my goodness. My powder. I hit the pan. I need to buy a new powder. It's time for blusher. I'm gonna take this blush which I ordered from Temu. So I'm gonna take a little bit of it. Oh my god, it's too much. Okay. It feels really cold. And I'm gonna take my blush brush and I'm gonna blend it all in. I'm not gonna go with too much blush because I want to keep it like a natural looking makeup. I just want a hint of blush, not like how usually I go with like a lot of blush. That's how I like my makeup to be. But today I just want it to be natural. So for my eyebrows, I'm gonna go, instead of using eyebrow powder, I just use the kajal which I ordered from Temu. I wanted like a really nice kajal, and then I ended up with this, which is like pretty smudgeable kajal. If you use it as a kajal on your eyes, it will smudge in next few minutes. So horrible kajal. So it's better I use it for my eyebrows. For eyebrows, it's really good. I mean, yeah, I like it for my eyebrows. It makes my eyebrows look really, really dark. So don't be afraid of doing really dark black eyebrows because I've seen a lot of British girls would do their eyebrows really dark and they're really light skinned. So can you imagine how dark would it be on their skin? So and they look really amazing. So if you are a woman of a color, you can definitely go ahead and do that. It's gonna look really nice on you as well. So if not better. And I'm going to So since I wanted to keep everything pretty natural looking-ish, I'm not gonna do like a big thick eyebrows. I'm gonna make it just keep it like this, like a bit thinner. Okay, so yeah. Can you see the difference? What you like? Obviously this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some kajal all over this as well. This is how my eyebrows looks like, and I'm liking my makeup, to be honest. Like in real, on camera I look a bit lighter, but on real life I look dark skinned, and I like that feeling. I know, I like the look of the dark face. So it's time for my lips. For my lips, I'm gonna use a new lipstick which I ordered. As I said, I just ordered a few makeup products. So this is the new one. This is by L'Oreal Paris, and this in the shade Explore. Just looked at the pictures online and on Amazon. You have that option of try it on. So I just saw that and I ordered it. A lip liner. It's by the brand Maybelline Lifter Liner. Okay, let's line the lips. So I'm done with lining my lips. Now I'm gonna use this lipstick. Let me shake it. Okay. So this is the final look of my face. This is how the makeup looks like. I'm really liking it. I did not do any contour. I did not do any highlighting. I didn't do anything. I just want to keep it a bit more naturalish. This is how I look, and I'm really liking my face with the makeup on. So that's about it. I really hope you enjoyed this quick makeup. Make sure you watch my other videos. I have plenty of videos on my channel, and I'm gonna do um fashion video. My next video would be a fashion video, so if you don't want to miss that, subscribe, you guys. So that's it. Let me do a quick up close. That's it. Bye everyone. Love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.